What's up, guys? It's Ilonggo Insider here, and it's 6:45. I mean 5:45 in the morning. Didn't sleep well last night. It's because I was so excited to do this vlog. It's August 27. It's a holiday, and yesterday I attended the Ilonggo YouTubers Content Creators Meetup, and I'm so excited and very inspired to do these vlogs. I'm going to call this a fitness goal Fitspiration video. So I'm gonna do this succeeding 5 days starting today. So I'm gonna diet. I'm gonna show you what I eat, what I do, and I hope I lose weight. I had to admit, although it's embarrassing. Anyway, I hope you pray for me, support me on this, guys. And this will be my first meal of the day. This is Body Key by Nutrilite. Yeah, and this is like a complete meal already. Cheers. Hi there, guys. I'm now here in Esplanade. Beautiful day. There's gonna be some brisk walking and hopefully some jogging. So as you can see here, we have the beautiful sunrise. I don't know if you can see that. So see you later. I'm gonna update you with the exercises that I do this morning. Guys, it's already 6:38, and as you can see, I already walked the whole Esplanade. So I'm going to jog back. Hopefully I don't lose my breath. I showered real earlier, but thankfully it stopped. So see you again later.
morning, and quite exhausted. I'm now going to the market and buy some breakfast, and I'll show you later what I bought. So